In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front wheel speed sensors in this Volkswagen Tiguan. This is going to be located behind the front wheels. Let's get into it. In the back, behind this cover, just twist to the left, pop that out. You can see where this is held down. We're just going to pop this holder off, pull the jack out. There's a utility bag right here. Open up the utility bag. And you want to find this pick. We're going to use that. Now take the hook tool that you got out of the back. And we're going to take these caps off. Pull those off. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to take these lug bolts off. Before I take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel, prevent it from falling. And then grab the wheel, slide it off. I'm going to disconnect the connector right here. You can grab on the tab. If you need to, you can use a pocket screwdriver. Just get underneath here, pop it up, and you can release the tab that way. You can see there's a bolt right here. We're gonna use a T30 socket, take this bolt out. Grab the sensor, give it a wiggle, and pull that out. If it's stuck, you can use some pliers. Try to take it out with some pliers. If you have any corrosion in there, you want to clean that hole out. Take the new sensor, line that up, and push that in place. Take the bolt, get that started. And we'll snug this down. All right, that's tight. Take the connector, lock it in place. Now install the wheel. Get that lined up. Get the lug bolt started. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 89 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And just go around again, double check. Now we can put the caps on. And just push those on. Take the pick tool, put that back in the utility bag. Wrap this up. And just tie it up. Place that back inside here. And take the jack. Get that lined up. This little tie down. Just pull that through. Take the door. Slide the two little tabs in the base. And then twist it closed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.